Yes, actually, Venkat, with great power comes great responsibility is a spider from a Spider-Man movie. But Spider-Man itself, Spider-Man, Superman, all man, all man, actually, Spider-Man, Superman, all man are inspired from a philosopher called as Nietzsche. Nietzsche, actually, German philosopher, is a Nietzsche. His character is only Superman. From that only, I think all this Superman, Spider-Man, Friedrich Nietzsche, yes. So all this Superman, Spider-Man came, and pro-modernist. Okay, pro-modernist. Okay, so we'll go into one question. I will tell you how to brainstorm. You guys have to help me in brainstorming. So I will take this question. This is the question I had for example, I wrote for 22 pages. I still remember the day. It was it was 2014. I think it was November. It was really November 5th, I guess, November 5th or something, or December something. December something. It was raining heavily, very heavily. I still remember that day. That is the thing which we are going to see. So in essay, first please remember there should be 10 pages, correct? So 10 pages should be there. So first thing, what is that essay? Please, somebody, if you are able to. Science and technology is the panacea for the security, which question do you want? Destiny of a nation is shaped in class, or any question which you feel like. Lakshman, first philosophy, first I will tell the basic so that everyone will know the basic, but philosophy question we will address one. Okay, philosophy question. First I should tell how this brainstorming is happening, right, in your brain. Or cyberspace, cyberspace is a comprehensive term, right? Cyberspace and internet are a blessing or a curse to a human civilization in the long run. Okay, that includes social media also. Cyberspace and internet, blessing or curse to the human civilization in the long run. So how to, now you think about, now you are going to brainstorm along with me and we will write that. Okay, one philosophy topic also we will solve, definitely we are going to solve. And AI, Venkat, we will solve that, but points, please, you have to get more points. Cyberspace and what is it? Please, what is question?
The cyberspace and internet, blessing or curse to the human civilization in the long run.
Okay, and the internet,
blessing or curse,
or curse
to the human civilization in the long run.
Okay, this is one of the question which is very important in the period which we are there. So what, that is what, first what story I am going to say. I should know what story I am going to say. The story which I am going to say is, I am not going to say it is a curse. Yeah, I'm not going to start, for example, it is a curse which you have to do all these in cyberspace, for example, let us brainstorm the curse. Okay, so I will tell you, for example, we are going to write for 10 pages. Think about this. 10 pages you have to write. First page, okay, first page, you have to tell the story. This is the intro. In this page, that person should know the story you are starting. Okay, the story means I will the route or way you are going to take. You have to tell that person in this page, and you can, for example, take one other page. Okay, one other page. This will be page 1. This will be page 2. And this page can be kind of for example, index page, what you are going to tell them or what is the story. In here you will start making points: 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 7, 8. If you are able to come here with the content, if you are able to, this will actually, the pages will be very small. You can easily come to this position. If you are able to reach here, yes, it is actually one page. You can completely summarize and conclude here, or there will be extra one other page will be there. If you are not if you are more comfortable, you can extend the conclusion here, so you can conclude with very good some quotes or something, if you are, or some poem, or I used to actually conclude with Rabindranath Tagore's Gitanjali poem, which I really like. If you are able to, I will share that poem. It's a long poem. If I used to, for example, Gitanjali poem, if you read, it is a dream of India for Rabindranath Tagore. How India should be was his dream, and that poem is actually a dream poem. So I used to choose the essays which are about dream, and I used to conclude with Rabindranath Tagore's whole thing. But the point is that first we will come to this page. So what you have to write first. We have to first, you tell the story what you have to write. So what you have to write here, you can actually, there are so many methods. That is what please, there is not one single method, there are so many methods. I will tell the variations and the things which you can do, but don't take. Yes, that poem, where the mind is without fear, that is the poem. Yes, that is the poem. Actually, where the mind is without fear and let my country away, that poem will be stuck outside the waiting hall in UPSC interview. It will be stuck. Actually, Rabindranath Tagore's Gitanjali poem. Before going to the interview hall, you will be made to wait somewhere. That poem will be stuck there. So I used to like that poem because of that. But have this thing here. So cyberspace and internet is a blessing or a curse to civilization in the long run. So what story you are going to tell here, you have to decide. The story which I am going to say, for example, I am going to say it is a blessing only. I am going to start with, for example, blessing. Cyberspace and internet, which have taken over the whole of human civilization, is a blessing. First line will be this: it's a blessing. That's it. It's a blessing. So what after this you have to say? So there are many tools like Wikipedia and the internet search, and various, you can list down many things, and you can say all these various things. All this is cyberspace, right? Okay, all this cyberspace has enabled the growth of our. See, I will end with that one. I will start with that itself. All this cyberspace and internet, which is a blessing, which includes Wikipedia, internet search, and online libraries. I will not just first go Facebook and all will come last only. You should think of, you should include words which are very good, in the sense, which are acceptable to all. So internet search is there, online libraries are there. Earlier, for example, Dr. Ambedkar had to read, if he had to go and check the books, for example, he read exhaustively all the Vedas, Upanishad, all these things he read. Okay. But the point is that how he read? He read because he was in Oxford or Cambridge, I think Cambridge. He studied there. He got all the books and materials. He used to have stacks of materials in the library, and he used to read every night. Okay, every day he used to read for 40-50 years. He completely read and read, nothing else he did. And that is how he became Dr. Ambedkar, right? So he read. But the point is that if you see Vedas and Upanishads or many mythological stories which India has, earlier you did not have access. But for example, now you just click. You will have Vedas. You want to read Vedas means what is in Vedas means it is just a click away. For example, that is how I read. So I read these what is in Vedas or Upanishads and what not is there. I was inspired by Dr. Ambedkar and I wanted to read that. I wanted to read the original text. What was in the text? I wanted to read that. This is something which is considered as very important in India. So I wanted to read that. So the point is that you start with that and all. Wikipedia, online library, and you can say online. See, now you can, for example, if this question is there, online e-learning, right? After Corona, now if I had written this, means I will include this. All these. So if you see in this introduction, I will have, for example, you think about this. I will have the cyberspace is a blessing, I will say. But why is it a blessing? I will give it in the introduction itself. I will say Wikipedia, because that is very important for me. So online library. Next, e-learning. Without e-learning, is there now, without cyberspace, is there any e-learning or Corona? Can we have done all these things? No. Or e-health. All these things are there. All these things you can actually, you can have this separate also, but I will include this. You can have whichever way you want. I am just giving you the intro and the story. I am going to tell a story of cyberspace being the most important thing, because I feel all these things are enabled. I will say enabled because of internet and cyberspace, nothing else. You can say there is a problem of some fake ID, some problem of trolls. Yes, there is a problem, but I am telling a story. I need not incorporate all these things now itself. I will have time, because now I will have this 10 pages, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pages are there. Slowly I will say, wait. The point is that you should not just give everything in the first page itself. First page is about the story. This is what I have in mind. Cyberspace and internet is very good, is what I'm going to say. So cyberspace space and internet is very good. You start. So when I complete here, so I will have this. Can we say any other thing in the intro? So I will have this intro, which will come, for example, let us assume this comes around 60% of the page. So I will say yes, you can start with that also. For example, if I was asked to write the essay today, now this time, if I had asked this essay they gave, and if I had asked this essay means, I will start with, for example, COVID had shut down, this is how I would start. It would shut down the whole world. It had shut down the whole world. But the cyberspace and the internet gave a new light for human civilization. New light for civilization. And hence, I will conclude within this. This will be 50% of the page. This is the first page I am talking about. I am telling you how the story should be. See, I am just giving you a methodology. Okay, there should be a story in the first paragraph. What story you are writing? If it is very well established, the definition of the story or definition of the question. For example, cyberspace and internet, there is no definition. Can you write any definition? For example, cyberspace and internet is the place where all things are connected. Yes, you can have. But for example, I will give some other. Can capitalism improve inclusive growth? There was a question. For that, you can give intro. Capitalism is a free market economy where liberal values and market forces decide the economy. And I feel inclusive growth can be given. Let us see. In the case of capitalism, you can give a definition. But for example, in cyberspace, I could not find any definition. That is why I have started like this. If you are well, you can start. For example, if see, COVID has shut down everything. COVID has shut down the world. So cyberspace and internet has given a new life and light for civilization. And hence, I will conclude. And hence, it is a blessing in the long run. Correct? This is how I will start. Blessing. Yes, I will start. So now I will say, so this will be the first 60. Let us assume this is 60% or something. So then I will say, it is a blessing. But why is it a blessing? So I will see, I will divide. For example, this is the second page. Okay, this is the second page. I will tell the examiner, yes, actually, still we have not brainstormed. I am telling how the introduction should be there. I am spending all this time telling you guys how an introduction should be, because this is the focus. If you get this right, the next 8 pages will be easy. How to start. Education and health has been neglected in India, and that is why it is backward. You should not, for example, go and say, yes, it is there. You should, for example, say, education and India, or India was a country where country of prosperity. This should be, see, I will tell you this story. I am going, if this question I did not write, if I had written what would be the story means, this I would write first in 60% of the page. India was a country of prosperity, but because of colonial plundering, all the riches were taken, or riches were plundered, riches were taken. Let us assume that. But because of education and health care to be provided to all, India has reached such a important stage in the world, and hence it is not that, and hence we have not neglected it. So you think about it, we have not neglected it, but there were problems in implementation. This is the story I will tell. I will tell India is not a country which is neglecting health and whole thing. India is a country where health and education have been given proper, or primary health and education have been given proper attention. But the point is that now there is a little problem. That is why we are, as a nation, facing some problems. We will solve it. That is the story I will tell. Okay. In the same way as cyberspace, this is the story I will tell. The second page, I will make sure, for example, you should tell in the second page. You should tell in the second page the way forward, the index. This is the index page. Okay. This is the index page. What you are going to tell that person. Okay. What I am going to take, I have had this introduction which gives a new light, and from here I will start. So cyberspace and internet have enabled not only the human connections, but all the spheres of human life. Okay. Here, for example, that day I think I told scale, some round scale. That day I told, I think. So there is a round scale. So you can have, for example, spheres of human life. You can have social, economic, political, or anything else, cultural, let us assume. Yes. Pro circle, yes. If you have that, you can have. So if you are having this Environment you can, but environment can you add using see, environment is one of the factor, but whether okay, internet. So we will brainstorm. Okay, M stripes. Okay. So we'll with the help of environment protection. Okay, sustainable development. Sustainable development. So now you start brainstorming. Now, for example, actually you should have brainstormed earlier itself. I have given you the story before, because before brainstorming, I wanted to give you the story introduction. Okay, wow. And one more variations you can have in the. We'll see this variation in the case of this question. For example, quick but steady wins the race. Okay, if they ask you this, for example, you can, or for example, this is just an example. Okay, every introduction need not have a story. For in this question, what is the question? Quick and steady wins the race. Okay, quick and steady okay, wins the race. You can actually write that story, you know, that story of what to say, that rabbit and tortoise. You can start with that. You can say there is a store, there is a there is a actually rabbit and tortoise. It was a story. It is a Greek story actually. It is from the Greek philosophical stories. But you can start. Rabbit and hare, tortoise was there, and rabbit had a very big lead and had a quick start. Actually, it had a quick start, but and hence it was there. But tortoise, although it lacked a certain set of skills, it was steady. It was steady in its race, and hence it won. In the same way, human life and human life and our country should also start quickly. Yes, but there should be a steady growth. So in this thing, if you see, you can very well have that story start. You can start that. It will look good. It will look different. So when you start with that, you should not just go around finishing that. For example, now you should say, or in the second page, if I will tell you one example of how, for example, economy. In economy, there should be a quick start. Yes, there should be a 10% growth. There should be a 12% growth. Yes, there should be a very quick start, whole thing. But the point is that it should be inclusive. You should say it should be inclusive. It should go to all sections. And that is only steady growth. So the quick should be there, but there should be a steady growth. In the case of, for example, in the case of society, you can say, yes. Yes, actually, yes. Gandhiji start of Champaran and inclusion of all people. Actually, Gandhiji was a very patient person. So when you're here, you can write. Actually, in the case of social, or for example, before this, you should have history. And the second point after story, which I told you, was logic, right? That logic is what there should be a connection to your story. For example, if I write about Gandhiji, let us assume Champaran Gandhiji, if I am writing. So Gandhiji started this whole movement in a very fast fashion. But the point is that inclusion of all people, women, children, was very necessary for having a larger movement. If I am going to write this should not be in page 3 and this should not be in page 2. You understand the point? This should be in page 2. This should be in page 3. You should. This is the story. This is the story. This is the logic. There is a logic in your mind which you have to apply. You cannot mismatch these things. when you are writing something, the coherence should be there in a complete fashion. So when you write, for example, quick and this philosophical thing means, first you have written the Greek philosophical thing and the story you are writing, or you can start any other, you can start as, for example, with Gandhiji itself, as you are saying. But all this economy should come later. Okay. Or for example, whatever story you are saying, it should come in a logical, coherent fashion. It should not mismatch. That is the main part of this essay writing. So you can, for example, when you are writing the 7th page, you can think about some point in some economics or something, but you have completed the page. Please go away and start the next thing. You don't have to come back and include everything, because the story will go wrong, the mismatch logic will go wrong, the connection will go wrong. So when you're writing Gandhiji, you have to write here. Any other point you can write?